Last week we finished our 10-day drive to Norway. If you haven't seen our daily videos of the journey yet, go check them out in our description below.
Today you will find us in Stavanger, Norway, as Maddox the Husky drags us on some adventures and we explore the insanely beautiful Stavanger. Let's get going.
Maddox, can you come? Come on, boy. Hi! Good morning. Good morning, my dear.
How are we doing? Did you sleep okay?
Come on then, let's go. Come on then.
You ready? You ready for your food? You ready? Can I have your foot? Sit, foot. Boy. Wait. Wait. Up, sit. Sit. I didn't say go.
Sassy.
Sit. 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 Okay, go.
Come on then. Those of you who don't know, we are currently doing a pet sit in Norway, and if you've never really come across pet sitting before, it's basically when people go on holiday and they need people looking after their pets. So there's quite a few pet sitting websites out there, but the one that we probably would recommend the most and we use the most is called Trusted House Sitters. The way it works is you join up, you pay an annual fee and then you basically have access to all the people that are looking for pet sitters around the world. You can apply to them, have a chat to them, and they decide whether or not you're the right fit for you, and you decide whether you want to go. And it's just a really good way to meet some really good dogs, and it means your dogs don't need to go into kennels and that we get to cuddle lovely animals while we're on the road. So I think it's a win-win. As a vet, I would definitely recommend it. And it's probably one of the only ways that we've managed to be full-time travellers is because we can actually stay in these places for longer.
So we have to take Maddox on his big daily work?
Yeah! You ready? Should we go? Good boy.
There you go.
Go!
There it is. Maddox squat and walk.
Where is it?
On the hunt. There we go.
Treasure hunt. Not the nice kind.
So we've been in Stavanger a couple of days now. There is a 5-kilometre loop from the house which goes around this really nice lake that we have. Maddox seems to love it, so that's nice. There's also a park run around this lake, which I did the other day. I've been trying to do park runs for the last few months and I've not done any runs in a few weeks and I didn't get a very good time. But it's my goal to win one day. You watch. Being a keen wildlife photographer, the lake's great. I've seen some crested grebes around here, the swans, Arctic terns. There's these type of crows you have here, which are not fully black. They're like grey and black. We don't get them back at home. Maddox is a 14-year-old goofball of a husky with beautiful blue eyes. Apart from his duck treat hunt game, his big daily walk is his favourite time of the day. He will walk all day given a chance, sniffing every bush or new scent he can. The best part of it is just being present in the moment as he is before we get back on with our day and Maddox has a sleep. Look at the size of that vertebrae. It's about half of your body. Look at his teeth. They're furry. Could easily fit in there, couldn't I? It's quite a nice art scene here, isn't it?
Real cool. Located on the west coast, Stavanger is the 4th largest city of Norway. Having developed from a sleepy fishing village to becoming the country's oil capital in 1969, it's a striking mix of traditional white wooden houses and modern business districts. Despite being one of the largest cities, its large walkways, massive houses and quiet roads is testament to the low population density evident across this Scandinavian country.
So we just stopped off for a beer at Bucket and Borst. This cost, I think it was 90 krona for half a pint, and this cost that much, this cost that much, and this cost that much. Altogether, I'll be that way, won't it? Tastes pretty good though. So we just noticed that all the post boxes on this street are miniature versions of the actual buildings. How cool is that? Don't go. Oh, now this is exciting, isn't it? Right, into bed. You gonna sit for it? Yeah? You're not gonna move out your bed until I say go, alright? Now you wait there. I'm gonna go and hide a few of these treats, but he's not allowed to move.
Ah? No.
Are you ready to find your treats? Back in bed, back in bed. I didn't say go, did I? I said, are you ready? Right, you ready? Go! Go again! Oh. You can smell something. That's number one.
Well done!
Right, where's number two, Maddox? Gotta use that nose of his. Number two! That was quick!
Where's the next one, bud?
Oh, you can smell it, but you can't see it. Oh, he's up! He's got it!
Yeah, buddy! That was the quickest time you've ever done!
What's up, big boy, eh? You got the yawnies! You got the yawnies!
Ready to go to the beach? Now he is. In you go, Maddox.
Husky.
Excuse me, are you taking us to the beach, Maddox?
Oh.
What the hell? Where'd the sun go? Go find a nicer beach.
I think so. Good boy. Let's try that again. Pet sitting has been one of the big factors that have allowed us to embrace this lifestyle. We both love animals, but not settled enough at the moment to be able to commit to owning our own. Looking after a cat or a dog or even some geese for a couple of weeks means that we can have those moments of enjoyment that a pet gives you without having to commit to our own.
Hey, Maddox.
We get to travel, which we both love, to local places or places that are far, far away. We get free accommodation while doing so and have a home base to explore new countries, cultures, and also get to try the new foods, hikes, and discovering local wildlife that we don't get at home. The fact that we get to do all of this and still cuddle big husky dogs at the end of the day is just the best part for me.
Gotta get to platform 5 quick. Got like 2 minutes.
So I'm in the wrong place. I need to find fjord lines.
I missed my connections this morning. I want to get to Hamburg as quick as possible.
I've just burnt through my money going in stupid directions.
Just left my map at the first tourist information I went to.
Literally just missed the train. Looks like I'm stuck here.